Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to stake your Cardano. That is how to get more passive income by staking Cardano, right? So how we can get more Cardanos. So that is what I'm gonna say in this video. So first of all, what you need to do is go to your Play Store or App Store and type Yoroi wallet, right? Type Yoroi or Yoroi wallet. Click this and there will be Emurgo's Yoroi Cardano wallet, and the developer name is Emurgo Limited, and it will be, wait, I will show you the developers. Emurgo Co Limited, guys. Okay, these are the developers for it. Just go and install it, and I have already installed it. Okay, so after the what will it will ask means if you are opening it for first time means, then click that create new account. Okay, create new account and have this add wallet, and this is what it is like I'm showing you the from the first. So click that create wallet and put your wallet name that this, and after that there will be something like Shelly era, and look at this as Byron era, right? So I have chosen Shelly era, but there is no problem in Byron era or anything. You can choose any of the wallets. Okay, so I have chosen Shelly era. If you are creating a new wallet means it will ask you to have a password, and please save that password because it will be used in transactions, and it will give you a seed phrase, and please note that seed phrase in your notebook. Okay, that's what I want to say. After that, what you need to do is actually I have done this, but I will say you how to do it. So click this receive, guys. If you want to generate, actually there will be address, guys. If there is no address means click this new generate new address, and copy this address. Okay, copy this, and what you need to do is, if your Cardano is in Binance means, then go to Binance and click this Cardano, and click this withdraw and paste this address. Okay, and Binance has automatically detected that it is Cardano, but the truth is this this address is from Cardano network, guys. So keep that in mind, keep that in your mind. Okay, so Cardano network is the network that you need to send from any of the exchanges. Okay, so keep that in your mind. When you are sending means it should be in Cardano network. So Binance has detected it as Cardano, and just put that ADA. I don't have any ADAs right now, so because I have done locked staking. So give that withdraw means your Cardanos will be deposited in your wallet within 2 to 5 minutes, guys. Okay, so after that, what you need to do is, after receiving your Cardanos, what you need to do is go to delegate, guys. Go to delegate, and minus loading. So as you can see, there is also, like, if you want to search, I will say this, in delegate nothing but you are staking your Cardano, guys. Okay, that means you are lending your Cardanos to some mining pools, like staking pools. Okay, I'm sorry, it's staking pools. Okay, in proof of stake it is called as staking. So these are the different staking pools, guys. Like look at this Zealtic stake pool and Blue Cheese Stakehouse. These are some staking pools. So you can also sort it by score or ticker, but score is the best. And if you want to search by name, so if you know some staking pool means, then you can search by the name or ID. So right now I don't know anything. So what I'm gonna do is just to see this estimated ROA, guys. Estimated ROA is nothing but it is the percentage that you will get for staking. Okay, so which has higher estimated ROAs, this Celtic stake pool has 5.12. The others are not having so high. So I will click this Celtic stake pool itself, and what you need to do is, for me it says not enough funds to make this transaction, but for you how it will be means, if you click stay delegate means, there will be one pop-up will be coming, guys, and in that pop-up it will ask you how much you want to stake. Okay, so if you are staking fully means please give it max, and it will ask some fees like 0.2 ADAs or something, guys, but that ADA will be returned again to you. Okay, so no problem in that. So after that, put max as your ADA, and click delegate again. In that pop-up there will be delegate button, guys. So click the delegate button, and yours will be staked. Like, look, this intra wallet transaction is nothing but so guys, these intra wallet transactions are nothing but the delegate transaction, guys. So it is saying that I have delegated ADAs, guys. So That is what these intra wallet transaction mean. And as you can see, I have delegated it, right? So I have delegated it. And what in this app, how you will get reward means your reward will be distributed every 5 days, guys, because one epoch is equal to 5 days. So after completion of epoch, you will receive your the rewards will be received in your wallet itself, guys. So no need to worry about it. And another good thing in this app is you can take your that means you can undelegate. That means you can take out your ADAs from your staking pools at any time, guys. So that is one of the best things in this app. Like, they won't lock your ADAs, it is flexible, guys. You can take out your ADAs whenever you want, guys. So that is what I have done. I have sent my 419 ADAs to Binance itself again, because I have sent it from Binance, and I have again sent it back to Binance, guys. So why? Because in Yoroi wallet I didn't get more ADAs, guys. Like, the percentage was only 4%, and I was not getting a lot of rewards. So what I did was I went to Binance Earn, and here search can give ADA, and look at this. If you are staking for 60 days, means they are giving you 7.79%, which is higher than Yoroi wallet, guys. So, and if you are staking for 30 days, means they are giving at least 5%. So I have clicked that 60 days, and I have given my ADA amount as 390, and look, I'm getting 4.9 ADAs, guys. So that is the reason, I'm getting more ADAs, right? So that is why I have chosen Binance itself instead of staking in Yoroi wallet, because I have staked it in Yoroi wallet for more than 3 months, and I was getting only 1 or 2 ADAs, guys. But in Binance, within 2 months, I'm getting more than 4 ADAs, right? So that is why I have chosen Binance itself, guys. So that's it, guys. This is how you should stake your ADAs.